In this video, I'm going to show you how to mobily optimize your Squarespace website. If you've ever designed it beautifully on desktop and then clicked that little mobile button and been like, what is happening? You are not alone. I'll show you all my little tips and tricks to do it quickly. And if you are interested in more Squarespace tutorials, check out my full library of them or comment below with what you want to see next. Okay, first of all, if you have no idea where to find the mobile optimization button on Squarespace, up here we have desktop and then we have mobile. So you can see I have it all designed, looks great on desktop, and then we go to mobile and it's kind of a little bit of a mess. So it's really quite easy. All you do is you click edit up in the left-hand corner, and then it's just a matter of dragging the boxes that didn't get placed where you wanted them to where you want them to go. You might notice some like rectangles that you used or buttons looking really, really odd, kind of like this one down here. So let me move this piece of text. So the way that you can fix that is just dragging it to the exact size that you want it. I know this can be tedious and annoying, but it's also a really wonderful thing that you can customize your mobile view, because as we know, a lot of people are on mobile and it is going to look different. Just know that if you're like, oh, I want this text to be a different size and you change it to, let's say, heading 2 to make it smaller, if you go over to the desktop view, it'll change it to heading 2 there. So you really can't manipulate like text. The way that you could get it to be like a different size is by using custom code. And I'm not going to really dive into that, but if you want to know how to mobily optimize with custom code, I will link a little training below that teaches you how to do that. So again, just dragging and dropping. It's tedious, but it's pretty simple once you get a hang of it. And then let me see if there's anything else that's unique that could help you out. So these are all just images, and so this will have to be, these images were kind of like scattered all over the place, and so I have to kind of recreate this whole, this is a gallery. Again, some of these will just kind of look funny, which is a little frustrating, but just dragging and dropping. And then the way that once you do this, you'll notice you have this ton of white space. So that's, you just need to make the section smaller by coming to this arrow and then dragging it to where you want it. I am able to drag it all the way up to that image because if you go edit section, I have made the height to be like 0. Most likely yours automatically went to medium or large. So I like to do small, or I like to click on the 3 dots and just have it be non-existent. So that's how you go about, look at that, editing this. Again, just have to, another thing that the mobile will not do automatically is if I have something placed behind on desktop, it might not do that. So if I want to place this behind the text, you click on the item and then you move it backward like that. And then we'll just check it. So there's obviously a lot I need to tweak here, but that is how you go about editing the mobile.